Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To any subscribers, my name is Erica. And for my old subscribers, guys, thank you very much for staying tuned. So guys, in today's video is gonna be simple, not very long, not very complicated. So as you can see from the title, guys, I developed a nose bump, as you can see, but it was bigger than this. This one is actually going down. Like, I searched and searched how to get rid of a nose bump. See, like, yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but my camera is not that clear. Yeah, it's just like just right there. It was so big and so irritating, such that everywhere I go, I used to walk around with the plaster. The picture would be somewhere here. That was how I was moving around. So yeah, and so the only thing that I've been using to get rid of this, I'm gonna put it down below for in the description box down below, so that you guys can see, in case one of you gets a nose piercing, or in case one of you has a nose piercing and you develop this nose bump. Yeah, so the first thing I've been using is this disinfectant. This is hydroperoxide solution. It actually helps when before you do anything you have to disinfect your nose like carefully. Then the next thing that I've been using are cotton swabs. Yeah, I've been using cotton swabs. And then I've also been using salt, like sea salt, but I'm supposed to be using non-iodized sea salt, but I don't have that, so I only have this salt. This is crystal, all natural crystal sea salt. So this is what I've been using, but it's been working for me. And then also the most important ingredients among all this, the most important is hot water. Like hot water, not just hot water, but hot water. The hot water is for warm compressions. So you see how I do it. One thing I forgot, plasters. I got these plasters from the hospital. Yeah, I got them from the hospital. I work for them. So I'm just gonna bring the camera up close. I'm gonna focus on this place and not me. Don't mind, I'm in a towel. I'm in my bathing towel. So yeah, and also I have a spare clean plate for putting my salt. Okay, so first thing that I do is I wash my hands. You know, you gotta use clean hands to touch your nose. I make sure I use soap. God, what is cold? I make sure I wash my hands with soap, so my hands are fully clean and I can't infect my nose piercing more. I'm sorry that you guys can't see me as I'm doing it, because the bathroom does not have enough space and I don't have another stand that I can put. I don't know, I broke my other stand that I can put anywhere if I can't use my big ring light. So yeah, unfortunately. Ooh, okay, this water is hot. Okay, so now my hands are clean. So the first thing that I do is I get cotton swabs. I get the cotton swabs. I get about two to three. Yeah, 2 to 3. I place them in. Actually, I'll get 4 today. I get about 2 to 3, 4 somewhere there. Oh shit! This one is not supposed to go down like that. Yeah, I place them like that in the cup, and I also get this disinfectant. Yeah, and I place it in the cup, in its lid. The lid, a bottle cap. I don't know what it is. A bottle top. I don't know. English, any English that is correct for you, you will find it suitable. And I place the salt in here, but mainly for the salt, since I didn't have what to use to crush the salt, so I didn't have anything to grind the. It's actually supposed to be in powder form. The salt is supposed to be very powder, so when you put water, you only add a little bit of water, and the water should be like paste form. It's gonna be helpful, because if you just have these big ones, they fall off if you don't have anything to support it. That's why I use that's why I use these plasters. So next thing is I put a little bit of water in there. Oh god, I just put a lot of water. Okay, I have to add more salt. Okay, I think this is enough to say paste like salt. Yeah, and the salt is like that. And then for this I actually just first I pour it on my nose. Oh boy, that was wrong. Okay, I don't know if you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna pour it down. Yeah, I pour it on my nose like that, kind of like disinfecting it with running. And then from there, I get one of these, and now I disinfect both my upper nose, and the bottom one. Cause also down is kind of like swollen, cause I have the L type of nose ring. Mostly if you go up, then go down, don't go up again with the same one. So you have to consistently change. Okay, so I'm just gonna use one since this one is practically healing very well. Yeah, and then I get now. Okay, the water is not even that hot, so this cotton bag is not gonna be very hot. Actually it's supposed to be warm compressions, but I like it hot. The warm hot compressions actually help with the like reducing the swelling much quicker. Cause what is that? But I don't know, guys. But I will put the link down below for the website. This is not even hot. Okay, it's a little bit warm. Yeah, and I do the warm compressions. Okay, my undernose now. See, you can see it a little bit there. You can see it's just right behind there, like it hasn't fully healed. This water is not hot at all, so I don't know if it's gonna be that effective today. Like I've been doing this for the past 3 days now, and it has gone down. At first I was scared to start this, but after I saw it work on other people, I was like, why not? And after I saw it on the blog site, I was like, why not try it? And boom, here I am. So guys, I don't want to waste any more of the cotton swabs, so I'm just gonna use you can also use your earbuds. Well, I don't know if I would really encourage you guys to do that, but yeah, so we go ahead. Then later on, it's the salt, and now we have to fix the salt on the nose like that. Oh shit, oh god, oh that's painful, you know. And the main reason why we use salt is because salt is not for wound healing fast. Like it helps dry the wound real quickly, and yeah, so it's like the ouch. Okay, but guys, there are other methods that you can use. Only that this is the only thing that I could improvise on. I don't have any other place to find the other stuff that were on the blogs. Like there were different types of solutions to how to go about it, but I chose, oh god, the salt. I chose to go with this one because it was much easier for me. Like that. Because the reason why we do this, because I'm doing this at night, so that the salt does not fall off on the bed. Because salt will fall off when it dries up. Actually, even before it dries up. like this is ages, and boom, and I'm done. And the next thing that will happen is in the morning. When I wake up in the morning, I clean it over again, but I don't do this. I just disinfect it and let it dry properly with the sun, the air, and everything. Yeah, and that's all. That's how it got to go down. And actually, my boyfriend approves that it's gone down. So, I'm all settled on that. So, okay, and we're done. And I can go now sleep in bed. Peace out, guys. Good night. I know the video is really dark, guys. I didn't want to turn on the light. My eyes are hurting. My head is aching as hell. So I chose the fastest way to do this. So guys, I'll show you all the ingredients as you need. So in case you don't have the hydroperoxide, the place where you can find it, like, just go to a pharmacy and ask for hydrogen peroxide solution. It's not this thing. I can drink this thing and I can die. So no, I'm just joking. This is actually a very good essential to have in your home in case of any injuries. I would advise that. So guys, and we're done for the video. See you in my next one.